How to restore your status as a student. Welcome back to Canada Admission Hub YouTube channel. In today's video, we will talk about study permits for international students and how to restore your Canadian study permit in 2022. Hit the follow button now so you won't miss any updates about Canadian immigration and college admission news. What is a study permit? A study permit is a written authorization issued by an officer that allows international students to study in Canada. 3 reasons to lose your study permit. Your study permit expired before you applied for a new one. You changed the conditions on your study permit such as your DLI, type of study, location of study, time period of study. You didn't respect the conditions of your study permit. How to restore your status as a student. If you wish to obtain a new study permit, you must submit your application within 90 days of losing your status. Explain all of the facts and circumstances that prevented you from complying with the conditions of your permit. Keep meeting the requirements for your stay. Meet all the remaining conditions listed on your permit, and pay your fees. How much is the restoration fee? $350. This includes the fee for restoration, $200, and a new study permit, $150. If you wish to get professional help to restore your study permit, contact us today for further information. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on notifications for more updates.